Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fit and fine. So, today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 5, solids, liquids, and gases. So, till now you have completed 4 chapters. Now, please open page number 49 of your books, solids, liquids, and gases. I am reading from the first line. You know that water exists in different forms. Identify the 3 forms of water shown in the pictures given below. Write the name of each form in the space provided. So, better we know that water exists in 3 forms, different forms. When you keep water in the freezer, ice is formed. When you take out ice from the freezer and keep it at room temperature, then water is formed. When you heat water, water start boiling. आप water को heat करते हो एक pan में, तो थोड़े टाइम बाद वो वाटर बॉयल होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, उसमें से बबल्स निकलने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और वो जो बबल्स है दे एस्केप इन द एयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस. So that is the gaseous form of water, means that are also known as water vapors. So water exists in different forms. जो water है उसके different forms हैं. आइस है, वाटर है, वाटर वेपर्स है. सो वॉट आइस क्या है? सॉलिड फॉर्म है, हार्ड है. आइस हार्ड होती है, दैट इज द सॉलिड फॉर्म. वाटर, वाटर को आप एक कंटेनर से दूसरे कंटेनर में डाल सकते हो, मींस वो फ्लो करता है, सो दैट इज अ लिक्विड. वाटर वेपर्स, दैट इज अ गैस, मींस वो हवा में उड़ जाते हैं, दैट मींस दिस इज द गैसियस फॉर्म ऑफ water. So there are some pictures given on this page. What you have to write the name of each form in the space provided. You have to write the forms of water over here, which is solid, which is liquid, and which is the gaseous form. So see the pictures over here. So these are the pictures given to you. First picture is of ice. So ice is the solid form that I have told you. In second picture, in a bowl there is water, and from the water what is coming out? Water vapors. So there are 2 forms of water over here. One is liquid form and one is gaseous form. Next, number 3, in glass there is water. Water is the liquid form. And number last, there are the water vapors and there is water. वाटर से वाटर वेपर्स निकल रहे हैं. So there are 2 forms, liquid as well as the gaseous form. So first picture, it is the solid form, that is the ice. वो ice है तो वो solid है. सेकेंड में क्या है? लिक्विड एंड गैस, वाटर भी है और वाटर वेपर्स भी हैं. 2 फॉर्म्स है वाटर की उसमें, लिक्विड एंड गैस. Next, third is liquid form because water is there in the glass. Fourth, both liquid form and gaseous form. Gas and liquid both are present over there. So it means water exists in 3 forms: solids, liquids, and gases. So we will read one by one about these 3 forms. Different things exist in different forms. Some exist as solids, some as liquids, some as gases. Let us learn more about solids, liquids, and gases. So we will learn about the solids, liquids, and gases today. What are these forms? First, we will read about the solids. First topic is your solids. Things such as pen, pencil, eraser have fixed shape and size. They do not flow and cannot be poured into containers. Such things are called solids. Solids are ground to a powder. They can flow through the holes of containers when sprinkled. Example, talcum powder, salt, and pepper. Sand also moves inside the hourglass. So, beta, the things like pen, pencil, eraser, table, chair, these things they have fixed shape. इनकी shape भी fix होती है and they have fixed size. They have fixed shape and size. They are known as solids. पेन की शेप भी फिक्स है. It is a long लंबा होता है पेन. Pencil, it has also a fixed shape. Eraser, it has also a fixed shape. उनका साइज भी फिक्स है. पेंसिल की साइज फिक्स है कि इतनी पेंसिल ही होनी चाहिए, इतनी बड़ी. इरेजर का भी साइज फिक्स है. So all the things that have fixed shape and size, they are known as solids. उन्हें बोलते हैं हम solids. Table, chair, they also have fixed shape and size. They are also known as solids. Solids can ground to a powder. Solids को हम powder की form में convert कर सकते हैं. And then they can flow through the holes of the container. Example, talcum powder. Talcum powder आपको पता है what is talcum powder बेटे? Talcum powder is body powder. In summers, you apply this powder on your body. जो body पे लगाते हैं powder, that is talcum powder. Talcum powder अगर आप किसी छननी से छानोगे तो वो उससे निकल जाएगा. Talcum powder है तो solid, but it can flow when it is in the form of a powder. कोई भी solid अगर powder form में होता है तो वो flow कर सकते हैं. Otherwise solids they cannot flow. Chair, table, they cannot flow. Only solids can flow when they are in the form of a powder. Flour that you strain, आटा है, आटे को छानते हो तो वो छन्नी से निकल जाता है. But it is a solid. वो solid है but वो flow कर जाता है because it is in the form of a powder. So these are the solids. Sand also moves inside an hourglass. You must have seen hourglass. Hourglass आपने देखा होगा, ऐसे का hourglass होता है जिसमें sand होती है, जिससे टाइम की एस्टिमेट लगाया जाता है. सैंड ऊपर से नीचे गिरती है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो सैंड इज अ सॉलिड. तो सॉलिड ऑल्सो किसकी फॉर्म में नीचे आ रहा है? पाउडर की फॉर्म में. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम द अपर पार्ट टू द लोअर पार्ट. नेक्स्ट आर योर लिक्विड्स. नाउ व्हाट आर लिक्विड्स? थिंग्स सच एज वाटर, ऑयल, मिल्क डू नॉट हैव फिक्स्ड शेप. They flow easily and take the shape of the container in which they are poured. They are known as liquids. The things like water, milk, tea, coffee, juice, tea, water, ink, coffee, all these things they can flow from one place to another. They do not have fixed shape. Tea की कोई fixed shape है? No. Does water have any fixed shape? No. All the things that do not have fixed shape, but they take the shape of the container in which they are poured are called liquids. This is a glass. Pour water in the glass. The water will take shape of the glass. Water जो है glass की shape ले लेगा. अगर आप उसको बाउल में डालोगे तो वो बाउल की shape ले लेगा. So these things they don't have fixed shape. They only take the shape of the container in which they are poured. जिस भी container में आप उनको डालोगे तो वो उनकी shape ले लेते हैं. They are known as liquids. Next, difference between solids and liquids. I have already told you. Solids they have fixed shape, they have fixed size, and they do not flow. वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह flow नहीं कर सकते. Liquids they do not have any fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured and they flow easily. Flow easily means there's water in one glass. This water can flow into another glass. It can be poured into another glass. एक जगह से water जो दूसरी जगह flow करके जा सकता है. So liquids they can flow from one place to another. Third, the last category is gases. Now what are gases? A thing that has no shape or size of its own is called a gas. Water vapor is a gas. Most gases cannot be seen. The things that do not have fixed shape and size, जिनका कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं है, कोई उनका फिक्स साइज नहीं है, they are known as gases. Water vapor is a gas. You take water, start heating it, after some time it will change into a gas, it will change into water vapors. Do water vapors have fixed shape? No, उनकी कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं है, उनका कोई फिक्स साइज नहीं है, तो वो किस कैटेगरी में आ गए? गैसेस कैटेगरी में. मोस्ट गैसेस कैन नॉट बी सीन. गैसेस दे कैन नॉट बी सीन. गैसेस आपको दिखती हैं? नो, वी कैन नॉट सी गैसेस. वी आर इनहेलिंग ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द इन्वायरमेंट. हम ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन हमें पता है कि इन्वायरमेंट में प्रेजेंट है, बट कैन यू सी ऑक्सीजन? आपको विजिबल है ऑक्सीजन? नो, ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट विजिबल टू यू. So it is a gas. Gases, they are not visible. They cannot be seen. They are all around us. आपके चारों तरफ गैसेस ही गैसेस हैं. एयर, इट इज ऑल्सो a mixture of gases. जो एयर है आपके इर्द गिर्द, वो गैसेस का ही मिक्सचर है. बहुत गैसेस हैं उसमें. ऑक्सीजन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, other gases are also present. Air moves from one place to another. Moving air is called wind. एयर भी एक गैस है, इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस. एयर मूव्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एक जगह से एयर जो है दूसरी जगह फ्लो करती है. सो दिस फ्लोइंग एयर इज नोन एज विंड. जो हवा चल रही होती है, दैट इज नोन एज विंड, बिकॉज एयर इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. गैसेस, दे आर फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एक जगह से गैसेस जो है दूसरी जगह पे जा रही हैं. We breathe in air that contains a gas called oxygen. All living things need oxygen to live. Like liquids, gases can also flow. So, bete, we are living because we are taking oxygen. Oxygen, where it is present? It is present in the air. Oxygen is the gas that is must for our survival, and it is present in the air. Like liquids, gases can also flow. We know liquids can flow from one place to another. Same way gases can also flow from one place to another. Gases भी जो हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकती हैं, फ्लो कर सकती हैं, like the liquids. But solids, they cannot flow. चेयर है, चेयर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकती है अपने आप? No, it cannot move till we push it. जितनी देर हम उनको पुश नहीं करते तो अपनी जगह से वो नहीं हिलती. But the liquids and gases हैं, they keep on flowing from one place to another. So these are the three forms in which the things exist. Water भी इन three forms में exist करता है. जो बाकी चीजें हैं हमारे around, they also exist in these three forms: solids, liquids, and gases. Next, page number 51. Let's remember. Sort the following: write S for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas. So there are some pictures given to you. You have to write S in front of the solids, L in front of the liquids, and G in front of the gases. See the picture first. So better, these are the pictures given to you. Write S in front of the solids, L in front of the liquids, and G in front of the gases. So let's do. In first picture, water is shown to you. Now water comes in which category? It comes in liquid category. So water is a liquid. Number 2 is sharpener. Sharpener is hard, it has fixed shape and size, it is a solid. Now steam is coming out from the kettle, so it is a gaseous form. Liquid, L likho, S and G. Fourth, softy ice cream, it is a solid, write S. Fifth, water is there in the glass, that is a liquid, write L. And sixth, cap of the bottle is a solid, it has a fixed shape and size, So it is a S. L, S, G, S, L, S. These are the answers of this page. So we will do up to here. Next topic we will start in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.